Every shuffleboard table is typically described by the thickness of the playfield. You'll often see the number 3 inches. At first glance, that sounds simple, but it's important to understand how that thickness is constructed. In most cases, the total dimension includes both hardwood and the surface finishing material layered on top. The overall measurement may add up to 3 inches, but the amount of solid wood underneath can vary depending on how the board is built. Traditionally, high-quality shuffleboard tables were constructed using a full 3 inches of solid hard maple. Maple has long been preferred because of its density, durability, and consistent grain structure. That original 3-inch thickness wasn't arbitrary. It allowed the board to be resurfaced and refinished over time, extending the life of the table for decades. Because wood naturally moves with humidity, the way a finishing layer interacts with that movement matters. In some constructions, a thick surface layer can create tensions across the top of the board. Over time, that tension may contribute to a slight cupping or convex shaping, which can affect how consistently the table plays. That's why understanding not just the measurement, but the full construction method is important when comparing tables. A well-built shuffleboard table isn't defined only by its dimensions, but how those dimensions are achieved.